Hi everyone, George Attio expert from Craft here. Today I will show you how to push Attio call recording transcript to Notion. Let's get started. To push Attio's call recording transcript to Notion, you will typically do it with middleware. In our case, it's Zapier. In Zapier, create a new Zap and choose Webhooks as a trigger. Choose the catch hook and copy this URL that we will paste for the webhook destination URL. In Attio, go to the developers and webhooks and create a new webhook for the call recording created and paste this URL from the Zapier. Now, in order to test our trigger, we need to create a test call and ask Attio call recorder to join this call and record this. We need to approve call. Our call recorder is on the call. Let's pick something in order to get the test data for the Zapier automation, and we can leave the call. Now let's click on the test trigger. Our call recording is created and we can see the JSON data. In order to fetch the full meeting data from Attio via the Attio REST API, we need to create another step for the webhooks and choose the get method. Let's open Attio API docs and we need get call transcript endpoint and copy this. Paste here and let's populate the meeting ID from the first step JSON data, and for the call recording ID, so we need to choose as JSON, yes, and we need to paste our headers authorization code. We can find it here. When you create a connection to the Zapier, you create access token, and this is your authorization code. Just copy it, write down authorization bearer and paste your access token. Continue. Test step. If you want to get an additional information like your participants, title, description, when this meeting was, we need to send another HTTP request to the Attio. Create another step for the webhooks. Choose the get. Copy this and populate it from the first step. Send as JSON, yes. Authorization bearer, and let's copy it again and test step. Now we can see the meeting title, meeting description, date, start time, end time, participants email, and any other information. After that, we need to add the Notion step with the created data source item or page or whatever you want. We keep this in the database structure, so when we choose the create a data source item, connect our account, configure, choose your database and populate your data. For the content, we choose the raw transcript and markdown. There is an interesting limitation. If your transcript exceeds more than 2000 characters, the Notion will stop your automation, because Notion can't accept more than 2000 characters for the node. And test step. Now we can see this call recording transcript was created. This is empty because call recorder can't identify our speech, so that's why there is empty. If you use in your Attio account for the call recorder meeting templates or insight template, you can connect before the create data source item step, connect your ChatGPT or any other LLM, and you can put your prompt there and ask to create a summary based on the raw transcript, and you can put result from this LLM to the Notion, and you will get the more structured node than just raw transcript. We are offering a free automation done for you. If you want to create the same automation, or if you need any help from the Attio experts, just DM me and let me know if this video was useful for you.